Hey guys, it's Ray Rosebud. Welcome back to another vlog. So like always, when I start off in my room, that means I just finished getting dressed. I'm about to head out. I'm gonna dye my hair black today. I have to use box hair dye just because hair salons are still closed. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I am gonna be with my dad. Before I head out, I just got a package and it's what I've been waiting for. These are the Travis Scott X Air Max 270 Cactus Trail. I got this on the Go app as well. So these are it. The adult size to me look better than the kid size, but it's still cute, you know. And I'll rock them so cute. I have to figure out outfits to wear with this. But there's a 360 of them. And this is the back. Which mascara should I get? The one I was using was the Colossal, I think it.
Oh, the yellow one?
Yeah, with like the cheetah print. I think I want to try the telescopic one, or I'll probably just buy this one. I'll probably just buy this one again. Yeah, a long time ago, but I like it because the wand is thin, and you know how I have like almond shaped eyes?
Yeah.
Well, they don't have the hair dye brand I want, so should I get like L'Oreal or... Oh, look, it's right here, the one I want. Where is the black? The black is black. Black. What this one says. Darkest brown. Soft black. No, I want that tense black. Wait, do you remember this song? I wanted to go to Dollar Tree so I could like see what I could buy to DIY.
You've been watching too much TikTok with the damn DIY.
No, I can't get candy. Oh, I heard these voluminous carbon black is good.
Oh, Tina Turner?
Yeah, What's Love Got to Do It? I wonder what nail salons are gonna be open.
I don't know, I can't wait.
I know, me neither. My ring finger is about to fall off.
Your nails are still holding on to dear life, right?
Yep.
You need to get it.
Yeah?
There's a spray right there.
Your drink Sprite.
Those spray finished? Jesus Christ, Mom, you drink too much.
Ray.
You drink too much Sprite.
Alright, I'm home now and my package just came. I bought the reusable straw. It looks like this. Like that. Oh my god, I can't look at my nails any longer. I bought the black one. Comes in a little case that you can put in your bag. This is so cool. It also comes with... And it comes with a spoolie that you could clean it with. Oh my god, that's so cool. Save the turtles. And the fishies. This thing is thick. Look at my reusable straw.
What are you buying? Let me see.
A reusable straw.
Straw you buy online?
Oh man, I'm doing a horrible job, but this is it. And you can put it in your bag. Also, my candle warmer came. I also bought this on eBay. It's just, I bought the 2-in-1 electric one. So in here you'll put the wax, and then if you want to put your regular candle, you just put it like this, And I'm excited. I miss burning this candle. You know, Bath and Body Works candle, when it gets to like up here, you can't really burn it anymore. So this is very convenient. And I'm so happy. I'm mad I get happy about these things. And this is the box that came in. I just got this marble detailing. Excuse the nails, I had to cut them down because they were looking ratchet and they were breaking. The cord is kind of short. It has the thing that tells you when it's heat up. I'm so excited. It's pretty big. And it also has an on and off switch.
The next day.
I was making french fries in my air fryer, and then I got the message that my Supreme lawn chair is here. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, I'll come back. It's so pretty. Perfect time that it came because I could roll up to my family's barbecues with this. And this is the stickers that came with. I never use my Supreme sticker. I like collect them. Look who I'm with! Wait, I sound like I'm dying. Let me know if you like to watch so I can take it upstairs real quick.
Hold up.
Yo, the bro is moving. The gang is splitting up.
Can't argue.
Yeah, he about to tell me if he wants to buy this watch or not. I tried to buy it for my dad for Father's Day, and it didn't work out. It's too bulky. You see what I mean?
Too bulky.
Yeah, it fits him like the band, but other than that, it's too bulky.
It's nice.
It's a Steve Madden watch.
I like these.
Let's show him.
Slow motion montage or whatever the fuck.
I wish it fit my dad because it's a nice watch.
Oh, this shit is broken.
It's broken.
Oh no, it's not on.
It still has the thing.
Oh, okay.
Don't try to play me.
I was about to say, like, this thing is not even ticking.
No, you didn't see the
Yeah, I see it.
I didn't take that out because I'm like, if I want to resell it, I'm not about to
True.
mess with it.
I thought it was bigger, yo.
What? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
This shit is humongous.
No, it's not. When you said bulky, I'm thinking it's like...
Dude, look at the head. Let me see yours.
It's not funny.
Let me see yours. I'm like, it's very bulky. Dude, it's bigger than yours.
But like...
No, it's fine if you don't want
like,
it.
when you say bulky, I'm thinking like... Because my dad likes bulky. But like...
Bro, isn't this watch bulky?
I don't know, maybe...
Like, look how big it is. Put your watch next to it. It's like, this is for like really tall or chunky dudes. Or like younger kids who want...
My dad's chunky a little bit. So it goes with him.
I don't know, let me know.
It goes with his beer belly. Yeah, I might take it.
Ooh. I forgot the quarantine nails were showing. Don't mind it. I had to cut my nails down.
Yo, so we're doing a giveaway. Steve Madden giveaway. So watch men's
Steve Madden giveaway.
gold.
Get me to 1,000 subscribers. You know what? I'm just gonna give it to my uncle.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna give it to my...
That's hilarious.
Oh guys, I dyed my hair back to black. I'm so happy. We got McDonald's. And he's laughing at me because I have my reusable straw.
She pulled it out like a magic wand. You're not telling them why. I was laughing.
Oh, he's laughing because I just pulled it out.
Bro, she whipped it out. Like her next trick was to drink the slushie. Bugging out.
I love slushies. We getting drunk tonight?
Yeah. Yeah, Lily.
I haven't drank in so long. Like, I'm talking about months.
Talking about years.
I'm not an alcoholic, you know,
Talking
but
about years.
sometimes I like my little drinks. When you have to switch cups. My McDonald's cup. Cheers.
You didn't break the shoes in.
You shitting me? Imagine I talk like that.
No, don't do that.
I can't even see you, bro. You tall.
It's okay. Just cut my head off. It would be like
always
another
cut off.
character in like the Powerpuff Girls or something.
Are you smiling at me, sir?
So that's it.
Oh, they both smiling at me. So, you come here often? But that is all for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just got home, super tired. I'm about to take off this makeup, wash my face, brush my teeth, and go to bed. I have a bunch of IKEA stuff to build tomorrow, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you guys can see what I got from IKEA. I'm starting to like redo my room, but like a little bit at a time, and I got some little things to decorate it with. So make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell so you guys get notified every time I post a video, and don't forget to like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.